So you can tell from the sweat, I got in the zone today. Put on the front strut bar, got half of the spare tire delete. So I'm gonna start on door panels today. I'm just gonna keep doing, goodness gracious. Here, coming out. So now I got this stuff done. I'm about to really just keep putting on time lapses and knocking this stuff out since I'm in the zone. So these are Turtle Lab door panel deletes. You'll obviously see how easy. Right now, let me show you. You notice it's off, but right now my only plan is just to do self-tapping screws. Eventually I'll move to riv nuts, but for now, I just want to get them all on there because I am going to wrap them with some fabric and make them look nice, but I just want to get them all up. So I only got this one off. I'm going to take the other door panels off and we'll get them on there.